Right guys, have you ever had one of them thoughts where you wish that you never did because you just need to try it out? This is one of them videos. So in my hand I've got some pinstripe. Now I was wondering, yes, I'm taking the car gold and it's going to be done hopefully in about 6 weeks because I've got some time off my normal job, which I want just some time it so I can work on the car and have it done without doing bit by bit by bit, if you get what I mean. So what I wanted to try was pinstriping the car, the whole car. Now I don't mean little tiny bits, I mean the whole of the car, so going around the door frame, going around the quarter panel, and every single bit of bodywork on the Corsa VXR gets a pinstripe. Now I am going to show you what I mean by this. You'll have to let me know what you guys think on this, because if I like this more than I think I would go in gold, then I'd probably keep this. But there's also the opportunity that I can go gold and pinstripe in black, so I think that might be also nice. But again, you'll have to let me know what you guys think. This is one of them videos where I want your guys' opinions. As I've always said in my videos, I'd rather try something and fail than not have tried at all. I can put a link to this stuff in the description if you want. They also do this in a chrome gold, which would be handy. Again, if I do go gold, I could go around the blacks parts on the car in the chrome gold pinstripe, so it won't be left out. So I want to give this a try. I'm going to do it on one side of the car, I think, see what it looks like, and you guys can give me your opinions on it. If I like it, I'm going to do the whole car, I think, and just keep it like that until I obviously do it gold or anything else. It just depends. I don't know. I might do it and I might hate it, like I did with the gold pipe. The gold pipe is back normal, but I might do it and I might absolutely love it. Like I said, I'd rather do it and try it. So this stuff's cheap enough just for me to chuck away after anyway, so it makes no difference. So yeah, I'm going to jump straight into it and I'll see you guys soon. Right, so I've done the quarter panel and actually I really fucking like it. I might put another line in here after and see what that looks like, see if it looks any better, because these ones seem to go straight down to this bit here, so I might connect another one there, see what that looks like. But so far, I mean, as you can see, it makes the car absolutely pop. Guys, I think I'm in love. But can you imagine that on the whole car, all the way down the side? Well, you don't need to imagine, because I'm about to do it. Right guys, so I've gone ahead and done one side. I hope that little clip at the beginning that you've just seen of me actually doing some pinstriping is enough for you. I didn't want to show the whole lot because, again, it is a very, very long, lengthy process. So yeah, I've gone ahead and done one side of the car. It took me an hour and a half. And the best thing about this is if I'm not keen on it after a while, I can strip it straight off. And it's not affected anything. All I've lost is a tenner. So I ain't complaining. So yeah, here it is. Let me know what you guys think. So I've just followed the bodywork lines. This is obviously where it cuts round, follows the line all the way down. I'm not sure if I should put another line here and connect it up to this corner, although the bodywork doesn't go that way, so you'll have to let me know what you guys think, whether you think that that is or should work. But yeah, I've done the front bumper, well, a little bit of it. Find the lines. If I follow this groove just here, sorry you can't see, just here that you can see, it makes it look very, very strange, and I'm not really keen on it. I'm not keen on that. But again, I might put it on and just see what it's like. This is just a tester, like I said. I'm not losing anything by doing it. It's one of them weird ideas that I suddenly got. I thought, you know what, fuck it, I'll try it. So yeah, I'll take a stand back so you can see it properly. I'll also add some pictures, nearly fell over, on the screen. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.